Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 bedrooms apartment. This apartment, or you can say this house, is very beautiful. So I will recommend you that please watch this video till the end. I am sure that you will definitely like this video. This video contains a house, and this house basically consists of 3 bedrooms. And all these 3 bedrooms I will show you in this video. This is the bedroom 1. You can see the bed is very beautiful here with white bed sheets and 2 pillows. Here are some shelves as well. This is the swimming pool in the house. You can see the glass doors are available in this house, and this house is really modern and beautiful. This is the living room area with blue sofa set. This is the round sofa set having blue cushions. This is the another living room area having the off-white sofa set. The floor is of the glass. Here is a LCD available here in the living room. You can see this house is very beautiful. If you like this house, then please tell us in the comment box. These are the stairs, and this is the kitchen having some shelves, a sink. I hope this is clear to all of you guys. This is the another bedroom having the a bed, some shelves, having you can say the wood floor, glass doors, a sofa couch here. Really, this bedroom is very beautiful. The third bedroom is here with some shelves, wood floor, some shelves here. You can see its ceiling is very beautiful. I will recommend you that you can subscribe our channel for the more videos like this. Please hit the like button and tell us in the comment box that which bedroom you like the most.